Hey everyone, I'm Amanda. I know finding the best longwear lipstick is like finding the holy grail. So just in time for Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun to test out my favorite longwear Kissproof lipsticks just for you. Before we jump into the lipstick testing, I wanted to show you the best long-lasting primer you can use to extend the life of any of your lipsticks. It's the Lise Watier Magnifix Lip Smoothing Long-Lasting Primer. It smooths the surface of your lips and helps to improve the glide and performance of your lipstick. Now let's start testing. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Pink Blink. This liquid lipstick is super pigmented in just one stroke and is kiss-proof, touch-proof, and waterproof. I love the velvety matte finish. Next up is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Romantic. The formula is super saturated and promises 16-hour matte finish. Another favorite of mine is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. Soft Spoken is a great neutral matte shade, and I love that the formula is waterproof yet still really comfortable. This lipstick has Kissproof written all over it. It's the Rimmel Provocalips 16-hour Kissproof lip color in the shade Kiss Me, You Fool! Just apply the color first and keep lips apart for 30 seconds. Then apply the top coat to lock in the color. It doesn't feel tight or dry, and your lips feel moisturized all day. Unlike the others, this is a lip dye. It's the NYX Epic Ink Dye in Fresh. The color really soaks into your lips and gives them a dramatic stain. You only need a thin layer to get good color, so it's also one of the most comfortable to wear. I've saved the best for last here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 2-Step Lipstick in Cherry Noir. It's definitely the longest wearing of the bunch and is totally kiss-proof. The hyaluron-infused longwear formula gives you vibrant color that looks smooth and replenished. Now at the end of the day, you also want to be able to take that kiss-proof lipstick off. My go-to is the NYX Be Gone Lip Color Remover. I like to apply a thick coat all over my lipstick and then leave it on for a few minutes to soak in. Then I take a cotton pad with makeup remover and just wipe it all away. Super easy. There you go! 6 kiss-proof lipsticks you'll want to test out this Valentine's Day. You can find all the products I used here today at londondrugs.com. I'm Amanda, a beauty advisor at London Drugs. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.